y'all, thanks for tuning in. We're doing a hair review for Kiss Love Hair. I have their 360 lace Invisi-Strap wig. I have a body wave wig this time, just natural color, and it's 24 inches. I believe it's 220 for the density. I'll put it on the screen for you guys. But we're going to dive right into the review. So if you're interested in seeing how the wig looks and the install, keep watching. Now, as you guys can see, they sent apparel with the wig. I got the bonnet, the little robe here with their logo on there. It's so cute. I love this color scheme. They also send a satin bag for your wig and a ton of goodies, including this stuff here. So they sent lashes, which are really out there. I'm not about that life. Those are some really huge lashes. And they sent the edge brush comb, the spatula on the end, extra Invisi straps for your wig, lace tape, melting band, 2 HD wig caps, a razor to cut your wig, and then some little clip-on hair bows in case you want to put like bows in your hair. Oh, she's already curled, you guys. Oh, I love that for me. She is curled, and the curls are so pretty. Look at that. Pre-plugged. The knots are bleached too. They're bleached really well. Better than I can do myself. The lace is pre-cut as well, but of course you can cut off the excess if you want to. On the inside, you guys can see you get the 360 lace. It goes all the way around to the nape. And then on the nape, you can see the Invisi strap right here. And it has little pulleys on the side. So you would just pull the drawstring, and then you'll pull this, what do you call it? I call it a stomper, to secure the strap in place. And it is on both sides. As you guys can see, you have the comb at the nape. The combs are removable. If you see here, they have like little slots in there, so you can pull it out if you want to. The same thing with the combs on the inside as well. It has a strap in there, and it has the grippers on there, which will help your wig stay in place. They're really making sure your wig is not going to go anywhere. They want to make sure it's going to stay right on your head. The cap is melting pretty good, but not good enough. I need to put some foundation on it to like match my color. I was gonna glue it down, but I don't think I'm gonna glue it down. We're gonna see. I'm gonna be able to get away with that. We're gonna see. You see the way it just laid over? It didn't fight me. I love that. I use a little bit of wax spray for the flyaways up here.
I'm so cozy.
So Bills, we have another great wig on our hands. Like I said, this is from Kiss Love. What's all this? So like I said, we have another great wig on our hands. This is from Kiss Love Hair. I will of course link it down below in the description bar with whatever discount code may be available to you guys. So check down below beneath this video if you want to get your hands on this wig. The hair is so soft and comfortable. Nice, great fullness to it. It's not too full, not thin, you know, it's just like right in that middle area. It comes pre-everything for you. All you gotta do is like put some matching foundation on, and if you want to, you can glue it down, or you can like use some hairspray to get it to stay down, however you want to do it. But versatility, I love the fact that I can wear it up like that. Just of course, always feel free to reach out to me down below in the comment section. I love to hear back from you guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not subscribed, please join the family. I would love to have you here. With all that being said, thank you guys for watching. I will catch you down below in the comment area. Bye, bye.